Hello, everybody. This is Chris Ward, wishing to share with you another way to leverage Google My Business to build your LegalShield business. And today we're going to talk about attributes. So it's more and more important as we build an online presence that you make sure that people are identifying with you. We all know that people do business with those who they know, like, and trust. And so Google My Business is a great platform, but can sometimes seem very commercial. So you want to share with people more about who you are and why you're doing what you're doing. And I'm so glad that Google My Business has allowed us to add attributes to our business. So right now there's 4 categories that you can participate. You can either indicate that you're woman owned, veteran owned, LGBTQ owned, or Black owned. So these attributes will reach out to your prospective clients and just let them know more about who you are as an individual. Now, does this do anything for your search engine optimization? Absolutely not. But a lot of people that are operating in those communities, like myself, as a veteran-owned business, that may connect with a lot of the military veterans out in the community. I know that in the state of Colorado, there's over 400,000 veterans living in the state. And so as they're looking for businesses to hire or to buy products from, they may be more prone to shop with veteran-owned businesses. Same with the other communities as well. And so indicating what community you are a part of can only help support creating that online persona for yourself in a space that looks very commercial at first glance. So I want to share with you where in your, we'll just call it back office for lack of a better word, when you log into your Google My Business page, and then you click on info, you can scroll down and you'll see from the business, add attributes. So just click on the edit button, and then we'll allow you to choose which attributes you identify with. So myself, I identify as veteran led. So I'm just going to click on that and then press the apply button. So it'll say that it's under review. So you don't have to do anything after that. You don't have to click save. But now you've now indicated that you're a veteran-owned business. And again, you can do that with the other ones as well. Just another way to let your prospective clients know a little bit more about who you are, what you're doing, and why you do what you do. So with that, I hope that this brief piece about how you can leverage Google My Business to build your LegalShield business has been of value. I would ask that you like and share and subscribe to this channel for more information about how you can leverage social media to build your LegalShield business. This is Chris Ward from Denver, signing off.